What's up, guys? What's up? So, Joseph here. We're back again. We're still live on Pound Yen. So, I took a long position, a buy position. Right now, it's running profit, around 800. Nice, guys. Nice, nice. So, demo lang to, guys. So, I don't trade live. Pero for those who want to trade live, go for it. Just showing you ano yung mga possibilities when it comes to trading Forex. So, I just opened this trade today or tonight, Friday the 14th here in the Philippines. And it's been running siguro ilang oras lang, ano? 2 hours lang yata, 3 hours. So this is something pwede nitong gawin, no, kahit may full-time job kayo sa umaga and also you have a business in the morning. Kasi the markets actually is more active when New York opens, New York session, London session yan, Hong Kong session. Tama-tama, kabaliktad natin yung pag 9 o'clock ng gabi dito or 11 ng gabi dito, 11 ng morning sa New York. So, yun yung stock market doon, yung forex market doon, and all the traders are busy. Oh, right now, it's hitting yung ganito, go 1K. 1K, 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 1K. Let's go. Yun. Hit 1K, hit 1K. Ito niyo guys, nag-hit ng $1,000. Alright, so yun lang yung target natin. That's the goal for this video. Just wanted to share with you ano nga ba yung pwede mangyari when once you get into forex trading. So maraming kasi may stock trading, may forex trading, there's also cryptocurrency or mga Bitcoin trading. So this one naman, what's good about forex is it's open for 24 hours for 5 days. So over the weekend, pwede ka magpahinga. Di tulad ng Bitcoin market, cryptocurrency market, 24/7 siya. So medyo mabaliw ka yun kasi open yung market 24 hours, 7 days in a week. So wala nang pahinga yun. No? At least pag forex na focus mo, Saturday, Sunday, huwag ka na mag-open ng charts, huwag ka na mag-open ng platform. Just focus on resting. So ito naman, usually Friday, Thursday, maganda mag-trade. Nice, nice, nice to see. Baka lumampas pa to ng 1,000 guys. No? Of course, nalapas yan. Hindi ko lang alam kung gagawin niya today. I haven't checked. Hindi rin ako nag-check ng news. No fundamentals. No. Ano lang to. No stop loss. No trade. No target profit. Tsaka wala rin technicals masyado. Ano lang. Support, resistance, and trend lines. Hindi ko alam tama pa yung mga trend lines natin. Pero nice. Ganda. Chamba, chamba. Sugod chamba. Paano kayo tunay na pera to? So, sana guys, i-like nyo, follow this video, subscribe. Next time, tunay na pera na yung trade natin. So, ganyan kaganda guys if you start trading Forex. Easy money, instant money. Meron kasi mga traders, buong araw, no? Meron din mga traders, set and forget. Ako naman, mabilisan lang trade, no? So, kanya-kanyang trading style din talaga yan. You look for your setups. Cool, cool. So, yun lang guys. Hindi rin ako masyadong pero gusto masyadong naghihintay sa market or tumatambay masyado sa charts. Ang goal talaga, makapag-train, in and out, 1,000 per day, o ano yan. Saya, di ba?